you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You hit it, bitch, and I'll be there. Be there. I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You be it, and I'll be there. Be there.
Well, my bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now a
volume,
bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches screech shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them. And fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So it's currently 9 o'clock. Me and Javonna. Say hi, Javonna.
They ain't even looking at me.
Yeah.
So
We on our way to Dollar Tree to get some stuff for Maya, and she kind of mad at me because she kind of mad at me because I told her she couldn't ride, and she ain't know why, but it's for good reasons. So we on our way to get stuff for Maya for her birthday, because as y'all know, her birthday is Saturday. I wanted to pick up a few like things to put by her door and whatnot, you know, for her. So come with us. We will be in there in a minute. I'm outside in this fucking bonnet, but I don't give a fuck. It's too early. Don't push back. It's too early. But yeah, I'm ready to get her stuff because it's her birthday. My girl gonna be the big 1-3, and you only turn 13 one time. Period. So yeah, we trying to do a big one for Maya. Maybe they got what's it called coming? Yeah. Like you know how many people that inspect the visit. All right, y'all. We just been yeah, that too. We came stupid early. Cause it's quiet in here. It's like you could hear me talking. Quiet in here. Is that the, oh no, that's not it. Let's see what they got. Is this the section? No.
Come on now.
This ain't the section. It's the other one. see what they got in here for my girl. What is that? She said. Oh, they had candles here. I done went and bought her a 13 candle. Oh, Jasmine had got her 13 candle. Where's the sash at though? Okay, so I'm gonna get this. Because it matches her little theme I got on, which is the birthday thing. Let's see what else they got. I gotta see if they got birthday sashes. Hey, balloons. Huh? You wanna go now? Okay, well, do you think I should get this here? It's for the door. Alright, so I'm gonna get this and then we gonna get the other stuff. Alright, y'all, because they don't have her birthday sash here. So we gonna get this and then go get the sash from Party City. Because I thought online they said they had it here, but I guess I'm wrong. Tell y'all something funny. So we leaving out of Dollar Tree, and the cashier goes, "Oh, it looked like somebody had just did their hair." That's how you know my edges is slick for real, because ain't shit done about my head, nothing. But the edges is done, so it makes me feel like it's done. The edges ain't done. But we on our way to Party City because they didn't have the sash for Maya, and I really want her to have a sash. And if they got a crown, we could do that too. So I see y'all at Party City. Yeah, so we gotta wait for the store to open because we thought that by the time we got here, it would be open, but it's not. So we have to stay here for another probably 4 minutes till it opens, because it opens at 10. So yeah. This used to be a Fridays. They done sat and made it a Porsche lot. That's what you call it? A Porsche lot? Porsche dealership. Like, but I guess because what you call wasn't getting no business, I guess it's cool. They got the Halloween stuff. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, I can't wait to have another baby. That's so cute. Look at the come on.
Nothing else done.
I can record because of the music in the background, so hopefully they'll hear me. Huh? Who, Maya? Oh, this is like her, what you call it, ain't it? Like her size. They got this stuff for Maya. Cute too. Oh, she might have to be this. You think it's gonna be cold? It'll be cold around that time.
No, it's not.
October? It's always cold around it till it's Halloween.
It's not gonna be.
These are so cute. Ooh, where's the birthday stuff at? That's what I'm looking for. You said what?
I said I'm a Ravenclaw kind of girl.
Oh, they got some stuff on clearance. What's this? Look at this stuff. Oh, that's cute. Too bad her color is not pink. A sash, so we got the sash. You get to put the number in the sash. So this is the main thing I really needed for her because we didn't have that at the Dollar Tree. So that's cute. You want to show me an outfit?
So I had these, right?
Uh-huh.
So you put this on the floor, so you put the jeans over it, so it look like that.
That's hella. What? Why are you putting jeans over a one piece?
Because for one.
That's so weird.
What?
She said it sounds cute, but that's so weird because a one piece.
What does that mean?
Piece.
What is it?
That's like me putting jeans over this.
It's like putting over. What's that called?
No, good thing it ain't made for 5-year-olds.
Over the snap in between.
Okay.
But instead of just pants, it's just shorts.
That's make you feel good. What's that?
This?
No. Okay.
This?
No, the white one.
This?
The pants. The pants. The pants. The pants, Javonna.
Don't wear those.
Why would I wear them? They're white.
Exactly.
Exactly. Why would I wear them? I just said it was cute.
Exactly.
How are you doing for lunch?
Damn. We made it to Target, y'all.
You just not saying that?
And we waiting. But I'm not waiting on anything. But Javonna's showing me outfits. She went together. You ain't got another one?
Do my neck
She showing me
long.
outfits. She put in the showing me the damn outfit. You so annoying. That's a cute dress, but it's about to get cold. It's about to get, not about to get cold, but I know you still be able to wear that in September.
Maya, don't ask me a question.
What else you putting on? I'm gonna scroll with the card. Go. Let's look at these Legos. I think this is cool. Javon, they got these. G. They got these.
Yeah, I know.
This is cute. Oh, excuse me. And this one. And this is the one Kathy did? No, she looking at this side.
Do Bugatti.
I say you start small though.
I dare you to do a Bugatti.
Oh, like do like the
right
flowers. Cause these are big though.
I don't want flowers in my car.
Or do the cities.
now. Do a Bugatti.
Okay, but if you're gonna start with the cars, start with these. One of these.
I just said do a Bugatti.
You gonna fight?
What you crying his face for?
Because you gotta piss me off. They got the pumpkin stuff out already. And the Christmas stuff. Huh? So me and Maya are gonna try this ice cream I was talking about. I thought it was so cute. Let's open it. It is strawberry marshmallow flavor. I'm all close. It's strawberry marshmallow flavor. Like this. This is what it look like. Alright. Is this a strawberry ice cream? Okay.
And maybe you're not tasting no marshmallow.
I can do that. I can do that. So we giving it a 10 out of 10. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. So we have a few things on the list today. Today is the start of Maya's birthday shindig. So the first thing we are doing, I think we were going to the beach first. She wanted to do the beach, so don't mind the noise in the back. That's my air conditioner. But I think she wanted to go to the beach first, so we're gonna do the beach. Then we're going to the mall. So here's the list. Here's the list. Go to the beach, because this will be my last trip to the beach before the summer's over. Go to the mall, because she wants to go to the mall. Get her nose pierced, because that's another thing she want to do. And go to Chili's today, because that's another thing she wants to do. I think she also wanted to do something else, but we have other things done. We have other things to do for tomorrow as well. So today is just a kickoff of celebrating my girl, because tomorrow's her official birthday. So yeah. Right now I'm about to do my face because I just got out the shower and my face is dry as shit. So your girl has brought a microphone. We're trying to upgrade our, our content. So aside from the camera, we're gonna work with the microphone. In which I heard that it's best to use these if you feel like you can't really hear. And I feel like because the AC, y'all really can't hear me. So we're gonna try to see if it works right now, because if it do, I'm gonna use this as we're out and in public. I'm gonna get over my fear. I don't know why I'd be so scared to record in public, but it is what it is. We're gonna get over my fear of recording in public today because I'm getting all content from my daughter. Sorry, y'all. Gotta make sure the skin right. I see that glow. Period. But anyway, we're about to check to see if this works. This is what I sound like before, because I want to be able to see the difference. So this is what I sounded before. You hear the background. You hear everything in the background. Okay, so I turned it on. Y'all able to hear me? Y'all able to hear me? Because if so, I can make a what's that shit they be playing when they be doing a podcast.
And I'm in a bad bitch and I got a dick. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Visit over. She gets down just like Visit over. That burn the blood, she's not coming strong. That dish bad, watch her blow.
Starting to feel like the little holes y'all be seeing, like these, I'm starting to feel like they are like little worms or some shit in here. Hey Maya, show them you know how to do it. Oh my god. Okay, so I am back home. I'm back home. Sorry if y'all hear anything in the background. I didn't put the mic on because I'm home and then, just didn't make sense. But the beach was fun. I'm about to take me a nap because at like 5, 6, or 7, between 5 and 7, we going to Chili's for Maya. So I'm about to take me a nap and then come back to y'all. We're gonna be by the time I come back to y'all, we're gonna be at Chili's. So I see y'all in 2 hours. Don't go nowhere. You better come the fuck back. All right. Hey y'all. So we made it.
These nuts in your mouth. In every video you do some bullshit.
Every video.
I think it's something scary.
We made it to Chili's, so let's go. Jasmine look tired as the fuck. Is your window down? Oh, your window look down. Is your window down? No. Okay. Well, we made it to Chili's, so I see y'all.
Look down. I don't know.
Don't it look down? It do.
It's their car.
I see y'all when we get inside. Y'all, the lady told me she liked my hair. Ready to get your wings? You ready for your wings? Maya been dying for these damn wings. So, for these wings. So they just like Fridays.
How you doing? Welcome.
Hello.
Carlos?
Yeah, can I have a spray? Giovanna.
You want juice? You want lemonade? Do you have like a regular margarita?
I don't have the glasses on. I also have the mango lemon. It's Mamacita Margarita.
What y'all get?
I'm gonna end up getting a quesadilla. A quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
Yeah, that one.
I want.
That look good. Should have did that for you.
I want a triple dipper.
I want to see the other stuff that
You want the triple dipper?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I had a Sprite. Say hi, Ma.
Sit. Sit.
Please give it to you.
Sit outside.
Be out. Nasty.
No, it's to me it's not nasty. It's just they heavy-handed. They is heavy-handed. Yeah.
That's what hers look like.
I mean, it's nice.
Whoever it is,
Nice and, yeah.
whoever it is, it's heavy-handed.
You said yours is nasty?
You don't like
And
it?
that's what hers look
Let me
like.
see.
Ooh, it look cute though.
Okay, so I'm gonna try. You don't got another straw? I don't want to use my own. I don't want to use. Oh, okay.
Excuse me. Can we have another straw? Thank you.
I'm gonna try my mother's
Can I get a triple
drink.
dipper, 5 mozzarellas,
Cause they keep saying that it's nasty, so I want to see. If
and boneless?
and y'all know I don't drink, so.
Don't be scared.
Ew.
No, it's a little boy over there. They trying to calm down.
See?
I like it.
Oh, there's alcohol?
Oh, I feel it right here.
That's why I said whoever poured it, they had to.
First of all, we're supposed to not eat around the food. We over here eating her turkey. Is that queso? She got queso. Hold on, let me show y'all.
Salsa, queso, and no, salsa, guac, right? And queso. But the queso is the best. Tanya, say hi to the people. Again.
I just want to make sure because the last time I told the guy that he bought me back a raw hamburger. Do you need this?
No, I want the chicken bacon quesadilla.
Chicken bacon quesadilla.
Yeah.
I want the smokehouse combo with the ribs, and the ribs, the jalapeno sausage, and the brisket.
Quesadilla barbecue sauce.
Yeah, that's fine.
You've been practicing. Come on.
So I got the bacon. I got the bacon ranch. The bacon
Ask for the sausage.
chicken ranch. And let's see what they say. Huh?
I said I asked for the sausage. I don't remember asking for the sausage.
Very good. Very good. Is it nasty?
I can't do it. I tried. The jalapeno cheddar sausage.
Good, yeah.
You got home.
Can you stop flinging your fucking hand
You
particles?
are eating. And you're flinging ham. You don't know what's in the act.
Tell us your phone number.
Tomorrow we locked in. We locked in for my birthday tomorrow.
Tomorrow we ride at dawn.
At what time?
At dawn.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. I slept so good last night. Nothing like that morning stretch. But anyway, today is a special day. Today is my big birthday. Happy birthday, Maya. And if you're watching this, I'm very proud of the little girl you are becoming. Continue to make me proud. And continue to be your sweet, goofy self. I love you. But it is like 7 o'clock. I'm about to get up and take a shower. I couldn't do what I was gonna do because she woke up so early. and came in my room, so I couldn't decorate her door or whatever. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and get her some balloons, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna shower now because they open at like 9, I think. I think they open at 9. So I'm gonna do that. My leaf got another. My plant got another leaf. Before I show y'all, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for Maya, and then we're gonna go from at 1 o'clock is our. We have to be at the place, but it's a 2-hour ride from where we live, so we have to leave at 11:30 to be there at 1 o'clock. So I'm actually about to shower, so I don't have to really rush to get there. Yeah, Maya, I'm so happy. I had made a little cap cut edit, so I'm about to put it in there.
Mother, I'm coming home.
And yeah, that's my baby, my baby. I now get what they say when they say your kids will forever be your kids, not adults. And I know she'll be an adult one day, but she'll forever be my baby. But let me show y'all my plant, y'all. Baby got a new leg. Oh my gosh, you see it? Let me focus, huh? It's not focusing. I'm excited, okay? That means we doing something good. I mean, she love it here, period. But I'm about to go take a shower. I'm gonna come back because I got to do my hair. I gotta figure out what I'm doing with my hair. So we're gonna figure that out too.
I feel like falling in love.
All the fishes and whatnot. We about to go and view the whales. Is it the whales? Under Explore Jasmine? What's she at? Jasmine.
It's like a virtual thing. They say you under the water.
Oh, okay. But no. Yeah, we about to go look at, I don't know.
I'll take this to one of us.
But let's go.
Oh, the neighbor.
Is it fake? Is it fake?